Hey guys, welcome to another JustMeta tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how you can use JustMeta to write reviews, testimonials, things like that. So if you have some friends that are business owners and you want to leave them reviews or whatever, this is a great tool to do that. So we just simply go to the AI panel and down to templates. So as you see, we have all these across the top. You can go to websites right here. Otherwise, you can scroll down, and the ones that are in green down here, you'll see testimonials / reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to leave a review for one of my favorite hoagie places right now in Philadelphia. So the product name, we're going to say Fink's Hoagies. The product description is fantastic, handmade, real Philadelphia hoagies. Made the right way. And I'm going to generate. So here in a few seconds, it's going to give me a review over here that I'm going to be able to use. And here it is, a taste of Philly in every bite. As a native Philadelphian, I've always been in the hunt for authentic hoagie. Right. And this is pretty good. There's also a couple examples here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take one of these and I'm going to leave it for this business. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to search Fink's Hoagies. That's Hoagies in Philadelphia. And I'm going to leave these guys a review because they earned it. So right here, here's my old review. I'm going to edit this and I'm going to give it a better review, right? And I'm going to give them a 5, a 5, and a 5. And this is how you can use AI to generate reviews for all your business owner friends, for websites, for whatever you need a review for. Like I said, you can always change the level of creativity. You can change the tone of voice, right? You can change what you write there. You get different outcomes. You can come in here. You can use our wizard here to improve your writing, summarize it, shrink it, expand it, the whole 9 yards. And then you always have the ability to download the file, or you can save the document, which will come up right over here under your account. So this was a real quick tutorial on how you can use JustMeta to make one-click reviews and testimonials for your website to help your buddies out. And it's a really cool tool. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope you join us in the next JustMeta AI Creator tutorial.